So, welcome to another mini vlog. So, this was my hair after ko maligo nung Brazilian siya. So, as we all know, pag Brazilian, di naman meant na straight yung hair mo. So, I really love na parang healthy, bouncy lang siya, ganyan. Tapos may color. Yun talaga yung bet ko. Tapos, ayan, it's actually a self-care day and sahod day. So, pupunta lang tayo sa Watson's. Ayan, bumibili ng mga favorite skincare stuffs ko. And, ayan, lately mahilig talaga ako sa Cutics. And of course, sunscreen is life. So, there are times pag nasa Watson's ako, I really love exploring yung mga hindi ko pa natatry na brand. Tapos, make sure ko talaga na basahin lahat ng mga ingredients. Lately, nagtitry ako ng mga retinol, glycolic acid, which is, I really need to be careful kasi sensitive yung skin type ko. But, yeah, so far, yung L'Oreal na yan, I really like it. Like, 2 weeks ko na siyang ginagamit. Tapos, ayan, yung soap na yan. And yeah, I really like it. And I just really feel so proud and happy because finally, like, first time ko bumili ng serum na like 800 plus. So, for me, I mean, like, somehow achievement kasi dati, tinitignan ko lang yan. Tapos, good thing, I feel like it's a good sign. Binili ko kasi nga, sale, buy one, get one. So, yung isa sa mommy ko. I mean, yung panghilamos niyan, talagang ginagamit ko and hiyang ako. Tapos, ayan, sobrang bango and may glitters kanyan sa balat mo after. Tapos, trying out yung new conditioner ng Lux Organics. Yung nasa baba, nagamit ko na yan. Ang ganda talaga. Pero, ayan, me trying new things. Tapos, ayan, super happy ko. May pa-free sila and, yan, yung pwede ka manalo. Up until na di ko pa napipil. Tapos, ayan, I really like it. And, syempre, nagutom ako. Shawarma. Actually, favorite ko Turks, pero wala kasing Turks. So, ayan. And then, after nyan, ayun, jeep. Tapos, nagkikrave talaga ako sa buko just lately. Ang sakit talaga ng balakang ko tsaka likod. So, ayan. Tapos, atay, my favorite. And then, ayan. Pag uwi, nais ko lang sila sa CR. Tuwang-tuwa ako. Happiness ko yan lagi. Excited ako maligo. And then, gusto ko talaga rin mag-smoothie. Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-smoothie. So, ayan lang yung mga available fruits. And bumili lang akong fresh milk niyan. Tapos, ayan. Every time na gumagawa ako niya, pinapatikim ko talaga sa kanila. Tapos, hindi nila nagugustuhan yung lasa, pero ako sarap na sarap. Kasi nga, basta healthy talagang kakainin at inumin ko yan. Like, feel na feel ko yan. Tapos, ayan guys. Normally, ginagawa ko yan talaga gabi. Pero parang gusto ko i-try na morning. Tatry ko kung kaya ko, yan lang yung kakainin ko. Basta full of fruits, tas konti lang yung milk. Para yung nutrients talaga. And, ayan, super easy niya lang gawin. Alam mo yung parang at least somehow naman merong, somehow healthy kang kinain. And then, ayan, syempre ang papatikimin ko, since napatikim ko na sila lahat, si Hunter. Si Hunter, very honest yan. Hindi lang na-capture sa video, pero sabi niya, ang sarap daw. Ayan. Lagi ko yung pinapatikim ng kung ano-ano pag may mga ginagawa ako. And then, ayun lang. I just really want to say in this video na, you know, treat yourself because you deserve it. Ayan, see you again in my next mini vlog. Good night. Siyempre, joke lang yun. And after a very long, tiring day, my favorite part is always wearing a mask at night or even at morning. Depende sa shift ko. And, ayan, I really love carrot mask, especially that it's pore purifying, especially if you have blemishes like me. So that's gonna be the perfect choice for you. And, ayan, see you on my next cardigan. Bye!